Hello YouTube. Yes, as I mentioned yesterday, we're going to do POV with this Alpine White 2020 BMW M340i X-Drive sedan. Of course.
Snowfall warning in effect. A long period of snowfall with total amounts of 10 to 20 centimeters continues. Moderate snowfall accumulations will continue until Saturday evening. Visibility may be suddenly reduced at times in heavy snow. Snowfall warnings are issued when significant snowfall is expected. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to abstorm@canada.ca or tweet reports using Upstorm. Prepare for quickly changing and deteriorating travel conditions.
Yes, it's been snow like 10 centimeters, but I'm pretty sure I heard from the weather network that we're going to have another 20 centimeters in next couple days. Oh, where we are? Calgary, Alberta, in Canada. That's right, middle of March. Yes, still snowing. It's gonna be snow another months or so at least. Yes, well, I accidentally brought my summer car out the other days, which was yesterday, and I had a hard time to get back home last night. So, well, if you guys want to bring your summer car out, don't do it now yet. Oh well, at least drive it when the weather is nice. Not like me, okay? Alright, well, that's about it. Have a great day and a weekend. Goodbye. Hello YouTube, how are you? This is BMW Lee. Can you believe it? It's middle of March. Look at the temperature over here. Minus 15 and a half. I feel like minus 20 with wind chill. At least, minimum. Well, we'll see what the temperature is right now. Weather. Minus 14 it shows. Will be minus 19. Snowing at 99%. Not a good day. Look at that weather warning. Snowstorm. Hallelujah. Well, I wasn't gonna go test drive with the this M340i, but what the hell? We have winter tire on this unit. Well, give it a try. We'll see how it goes, okay?